We're going to cover animation in its very basics. So here we go. We're going to animate this butterfly. I'm going to grab the butterfly, drag it off the slide. And there's all these pre-made animations that you can choose from. The green are entrances, the yellow are emphasis, and the red ones are if you're going to exit. So that's what they're intended to do, okay? You can also go to motion paths, which is what I'm going to do, and do a draw scribble. I click on my butterfly, I draw out a thing here, make the butterfly flip around a little bit and go right off the slide. He's going a little fast, so I can make the duration, which means how long it's going to take for this whole thing to happen. I can make that a little longer. I can also make it so that I have to click the mouse in order to get the butterfly to fly, or I can have it happen with the previous thing. Well, the last thing that happened was I came to this slide. I went from slide 1 to slide 2. So the butterfly would immediately fly across the screen. I could also have it happen after. So instead of it happening as soon as it comes, this page would show up and then the butterfly would go across the page. Alright, just so you see how that works. That's the gist of how animation works, but there's something I need to show you, and that is this box. This box opens up and shows you all sorts of stuff. If you can't see a lot of this extra options, it's just under a drop down button on the bottom. So my butterfly right now is up here, but if I add another animation, for example, I click on that and I add an entrance like a shape, it looks like that as soon as it comes in. Notice the order. If I want the order to change, I can have it clicked on here, hit this arrow, and it's going to move it to the top. And so now the first thing that will happen will be this leaf. The next thing that will happen will be this. So if I want this to happen, instead of having to click on it, I can make it happen with the previous thing. This will kind of come in and the butterfly will fly at the same time. And so that's a nice thing. This one I can have happen automatically too. I can have it happen after the previous thing. I can also dim this, have a sound come up when it happens, like bubbles or a camera. Or any number of the other ones. I can have it end smoothly or start smoothly. So there's lots of options here. I can have it repeat a couple of times so it flies across the screen several times. The delay is handy if you are trying to time things just right, but you can see that you can get really complicated and have a lot of fun with animations. Good luck!